Hey guys, today I'll show you how to turn off Meta AI on your WhatsApp account. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, kindly open your Meta AI and send this keyword. Now make sure to fill in the correct phone number you want the Meta AI to be disabled on, and also an active email you can be contacted with when it has been removed for you. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.